Hello students, today we are going to study a next method, that is ones complement method. In last lecture we studied the two's complement method, binary subtraction using two's complement method and ones complement method. In two's complement method there are the four types of problems, that is a is less than b, a or b equal, a greater than b, and both are the negative number. In that there are the different types problem. For that same that ones complement method, binary subtraction a minus b is performed by using following step. First, take first complement of b, then result of ones complement of second number b and a, both are add. If carry is generated, the result is positive, and if result is positive in the true form, add carry to the result to get the final result. This is the second step. And third step, if carry is not generated, the result is negative, and not true form, then take the ones complement. That in a ones complement method, second b number take ones complement, and two's complement method also that's same step. And result of second number b, that ones complement of b, and first number a, both are add. If carry generated, result is positive, then result is positive and true form, and carry, add the carry to the result to get the final result. Result is positive and result is positive in the true form, and add the carry result to get the final result. If carry is not generated and result is negative, and if result is not true form, then take the ones complement of that number. Take one problem for the ones complement method problem, that 1 1 0 1 0, this is the first number, minus 1 0 0 0 0, this is the second number. This is a number, this is a b number. So take the ones complement of second number, that is a b. Ones complement of second number, that b number, ones complement of 1 0 0 0 0, that number. Ones complement means complement invert that bit, that 1 is represented as the ones complement 0, this is a 1 1 1 1, this is the 1 0 0 0, ones complement 0 1 1 1. Then add this first number 1 0 1 0 and ones complement of second number, ones complement of second number 1 0 0 0, that one, this is the second number, add the ones complement. So first number 1 1 0 1 0 plus ones complement of second number, that 1 0 0 0s, this ones complement is 0 1 1 1 1. So add the for this addition, apply the addition rules, that 0 plus 1 1, 1 plus 1 0, carry 1, 0 plus 1 1, 1 plus 1 0, carry 1, 1 plus 1 0, 0 plus 1 1, 1 plus 1 0, 0 plus 1 1, for this 1 plus 1 there is 1 carry, 1 plus 1 0, carry is 1. That rule, that the add, this is a final carry, this is the final carry. For that finally, if carry is 1, so answer is positive, that answer is positive for this number, so final carry we add in this result, that 1 plus 1 0, that carry 1, that is a 1 0 1 0. This is the final answer of that a minus b. This is the ones complement using the ones complement binary subtraction using ones complement. This is the second number, take the second number ones complement, that second number add to first number, that is the ones complement of 1 0 0 1 is 0 1 1, that is add here, for addition, apply the addition rules. If carry is generated in final result, in here, then this carry is added into this answer, and this is the final result. And second, if final carry is 0, then we see the second problem, that is 1 0 1 0. This is a binary number, minus 1 0 1 1. This is the second number. So 1's complement of 1 0 1 1 is 0 1 0 0. First number 1 0 1 0, in that add the 1's complement of second number. That answer here is 0 1 0 0. So that 0 plus 0, 1 plus 0 1, 0 plus 1 1, 1 plus 0 1, final carry is 0, then answer is negative, not in a true form. So that answer again we take 1's complement. So for that answer 1 1 0, for that answer 1's complement is 0 0 0 1. This is the final answer. In that first problem, if carry is 1, then answer is positive, and that final carry is added into answer. This is the one problem, that is the carry is 1. If carry is 0, then for that answer take the 1's complement again, and that is the final answer for that example. This is the binary subtraction using 1's complement method. Next, there are the classification of codes. There are the different types of codes. That is, the codes are classified into different types. That first is a weighted code. In that weighted code, that are the two types, binary and BCD. Binary are represented 0 to 15, that the number are represented as in a 4-bit. BCD codes are 8421, 2421, 3321, 4221, 5221, 5311, 5421, 7421, 742, 2 bar, 1 bar, 8421 bar. Weighted code means for each bit there is a position is assigned, so that code is known as a weighted code. And non-weighted code, that is a not position for every bit, that is there is a not assigned the positional weight, and that non-weighted codes are XS3, gray, 5-bit BCD codes. These are the non-weighted code. For that code there is a positional weight is not assigned. Next code is a reflective code, 2421, 521, 211 XS3 code. Next code is a sequential code. That sequential codes are 8421 and XS3 code. Alphanumeric codes are ASCII code, EBCDIC, Holnith code. Error detecting and correcting codes are Hamming and Parity. For computer students, there are only weighted codes and non-weighted code, and for IT student there is the weighted code and non-weighted code and alphanumeric code we study. First is a binary coded decimal, that is a BCD code. In this, each digit is represented as a 4-bit binary number. So this BCD is a way to express the each decimal digit with binary code, and there is a positional weight is assigned, and that BCD codes are 8421, that is a 8421 with 1 corresponding to LSB, 8 corresponding to MSB. Means what? That decimal digits 0 to 9 are converted in a BCD exactly same way as a binary, but in a BCD to decimal beyond are called as a packed. Means in a binary or BCD, 0 to 9 number are represented as exactly same, but in a BCD code after that 9, that number are represented in the form of packed BCD, in the packed BCD. That this is the BCD code, and advantage of this is a very similar to decimal system, and additional and the disadvantage, the addition and subtraction of BCD have the different rule. That I have discussed that point. Binary or BCD are the same, means that 0 to 9 in a binary or BCD same represent, but in a decimal number system or in decimal number 10 is represented as a binary as a 1010, but in a BCD is represented as a packed, that is a 0001000. Means see one example, that in a binary, that is in a binary 10 number is represented as a 1010, but this same 10 number is represented in a BCD as a packed BCD, means for this 1 is represented as a 0001, and for this 0 is represented as a 4 bit as a 000. So this is known as a packed BCD. 0 to 9 in a binary or BCD represent the packed same represent in a binary or BCD, but in a BCD after that 9, that number are represented 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 as a represented as a packed BCD. 11 as a represented in a BCD 0001. This is the one number, and this is the 10001. This is known as a packed BCD. This is the in a BCD are different, but binary as a represented as a same. So this is known as the BCD number. Take one example. This is the 35. This is the 35 decimal. This 35 is represented in a BCD as a 3. 3 means that is a number 00011, and 5 means 0101. This is the packed BCD. This is a binary coded decimal, and that is a weighted code. That is a 8 is a MSB 8421. We convert that 0 to 15 number by using the weighted. For each position, that is a weight is assigned. That is known as the code as a weighted code. Means called that number 0 number is represent, we convert by decimal to binary, that conversion, but by this 8421 we represent that number as a, this 0 is represent 0 0 0 0. There is a, for 0 there is a not weighted position is assigned. So this for 8421 for position number are the 0. For decimal number 1 in a 8421 code, how we represent 8 is a 0, for that is a 1 8421. For 1 is assigned the position, this is a 1, so 1 is a position assigned, so for that 1 is a logic 1. There is a 2 is 0, 2 is, this is 0 0. So this 1 is represented in a 8421 code 0001. That 0 to 15 number we convert by this method. Or but in a problem there is ask convert the decimal to binary, that apply divide by 2. But for remembering 0 to 15 number by 8421, this method is applied. That take one example, 15 number in a 8421, how to convert 8421. 8 plus 4 12, 8 plus 4 12, 12 plus 2 14, 14 plus 1 15. So for this all position, that is a logic is a weighted position is a 1 1. So 15 number is represented is a 1 1 1 1 1 in a binary. That is the known as a weighted position. In a non-weighted position, there is a not positionally weight assigned. Positionally not weighted, weight is a not assigned. So there are the two codes. In a non-weighted codes are two codes. Non-weighted codes, there is a not positional weight. Here is assigned for each code 8421. For that, that is a for here code there is a weight is assigned, so that logic we here apply. But in a non-weighted codes are not positionally weighted, so that codes are a XS3 code and gray code. XS3 code and gray code. What is the XS3 code? This is XS3 code is a non-weighted code. This XS3 code is a non-weighted code. This code is derived from 8421 BCD code. 8421 BCD code, and in that 8421 BCD code add the 3 number, that add the 3 number, that is called as a XS3 code. And that XS3 code obtain that process, that XS3 code we obtain, that is a decimal number first. For that decimal number code 84 BCD code is right, and then in that 84 BCD code add the 3 is represented as a 0 1 1. 3 number is represent 0 0, and that number we get the XS3 code. That number is we get the XS3 code. Take one example. Take one example for the XS3 code. That first is a take 12. This 12 number we obtain the XS3 code. So for 8421 for 12, that is this is a decimal number. For that 12 number obtain the 8421 BCD. So 12 is represent packed BCD. 8421 BCD, not a binary, BCD. So for 1 is number is represented as a 001 and 2 is represented as a 0010. This is a 8421 BCD, and in this 8421 BCD we add the 3 in each digit. So 0011, this is the 3 number, and in this number also we add the 3, 0011, and add the number 0 plus 1 1, 1 plus 1 0. Here is a 0 plus 0 0, 0 plus 1 1, 0 plus 0 0. Next 1 plus 1 0. Here is a carry, 0 plus 1 1, 1 plus 1 0. Carry is 1, 0 plus 0 0, that is a 1, 0 plus 0 0. So this is the, for 12 number there is a XS3 code is a 0100 0100 0101. 12 plus 3 is a 12 plus 3 12 plus, this is the XS3 code for 12 number. This is the XS3. In every digit we add the 3 number. So take another example. 43 is represented in a packed BCD or 8421, that is 4 is represent 0100. 3 is represented as a 0011. This is the 8421 code for 43, and in this add the number 3, 0011 0011. This is the add 3 for the obtaining the XS3. 1 plus 1 0. Here is a carry 1. 1 plus 1 0. 0 plus 1 1, and for this 1 plus 1 carry is 1. 0 plus 0 0, 0 plus 1 1. 0 plus 1 0 0, 0 plus 1 1, 0 plus 1 1, 0 plus 1 plus 0 1 0. This is the XS3 for the 43 number. This is the non-weighted code. There is a not positional positional weight is assigned. That first code is a non-weighted code, and another one is code is the gray code. That another code is the gray code. That is a not positional is assigned. Gray code is another non-weighted code, and in this non-weighted code there is another code, arithmetic code. It has a very special feature that one bit will be changed at the time, and there is a incremented as only 1 bit at the time, and this is the gray code, and that gray code is known as the unique distance code. This is the gray code, and in this gray code there are this is not positionally assigned a weight, and in this the binary to gray and gray to binary, these are the two methods in a gray code, and this is a reflective code. And in this gray code there is a similar That is the similar operation in a XOR gate we apply in this gray code. First is convert gray code gray to binary. There is a gray to binary. This gray code is a non-weighted code. This is a non-weighted code, and in this first type is a gray to binary. Gray to binary, and that are the rules, or that is take one example that convert gray to binary number. Gray to binary number. That gray number is a 1110. This is a gray to convert binary in a binary. So there are the steps. Take this gray number 1110. For this is the first is a G0 bit. This is a G1. This is a G2. This is a G3. This is a G3. Then this convert in a binary. This is a convert in a binary. This is a gray to binary. In a gray to binary or binary to gray, there is a similar that rules are applied as a XOR gate. In XOR 0 plus 0, 0 XOR 0, 0, 0 XOR 1, 1, 1 XOR 0, 1, 1 plus 1 XOR 1, 0. These are the rules, or these are the truth table for the XOR gate. Similar operation in applied in this code. That first code is a gray to binary. In this gray to binary code, first rules, that is, this is the MSB bit, this is the LSB. This MSB bit is copied. This MSB bit is copied into binary. In this MSB bit is copied, this MSB bit and this next bit we XOR, that is adding, but that is a like operation is performing as a XORing operation. This is a XORing operation. 1 plus 1, 0. So answer is a 0. Next, this answer and this next bit we add. That addition here 1 plus 1, 0, carry is neglected and directly noted we answer. 0 plus 1, 0 plus 1, 0 plus 1, 1, that is a 0 plus 1 XORing as a 1. This answer of next bit and next bit, this is a adding 1 plus 0, 1. So binary number, this is a B3, B2, B1 and B0. B3, B2, B1 and B0. Means that G3 directly in a B3. Directly in a B3. Next, or that B3 answer is a G3. This is the input and this is the output. So B3. Next B2, how to get we B2? B3 plus G2. B3 XOR G2. B3 XOR G2. Next B1, how to we get the B1 number? That B2 XOR G1. B2 XOR G1. And how do we get the B0? That B1, this is a B1 number adding to 0, that is XORing B1 XOR G0. This is the conversion by gray to binary. Gray to binary. Next conversion is the binary to gray. Binary to gray. In that binary to gray, same process, there is only one change. That take one example. 1 0 1 1. This is the binary. We convert into gray. This 1 0 1 1. This is the B3 bit. This is the B2 bit. This is the B1 bit, and this is a B0 bit. So note that MSB bit in a gray code, that is this is a 1, that is in a MSB bit in the answer. Next, this bit we add, that is XORing, like that XORing operation. This 1 plus 0, 1, so answer is 1. Carry is neglecting in this conversion. This next bit we add 0 plus 1, 1. This next bit we XORing 1 plus 1, 0. So answer is a 0. So answer 1 0. 1 plus 0, answer is here 1. 1 1 1 0. Means that this number we getting the gray G3, G2, G1 and Z0.